Have you ever heard about a chutney that can boost your immune system? Let's embark on a culinary journey to the Mayurbhanj region of Odisha, India, where the locals have been relishing a unique delicacy, the Similipal Kai Chutney. This isn't your usual chutney, it's crafted with red weaver ants, locally known as Kai Pimpudi, and it recently received a geographical identity tag, acknowledging its unique roots and cultural significance. This savory chutney isn't just a part of their everyday meals, it's a testament to their deep connection with nature. It symbolizes a tradition passed down through generations, a tradition that not only delights the palate, but also harnesses the healing properties of the jungle's tiny inhabitants. But the Similipal Kai Chutney is more than just a food item. It's a lifeline for around 500 tribal families who rely on it for their livelihood. This isn't just any ordinary chutney, it's a tale of tradition, health, and survival. The Similipal Kai Chutney is not a product of a fancy kitchen, but a result of the hard work of the tribal people of Mayurbhanj. Now let's journey into the heart of the Mayurbhanj district where the magic of chutney making happens. Imagine about 500 tribal families, their livelihood intricately tied to a tiny insect, the red weaver ant. These folks venture into the dense forests, home to the Similipal Tiger Reserve, every day. Their mission? Collecting red weaver ants, locally known as Kai Pimpudi. Now this isn't a walk in the park. The ants are found high up in the trees, nestled in sturdy, silk-stitched leaf nests. These nests, woven together by the larvae of the weaver ants, can be as small as a single folded leaf or as large as several leaves bound together. The tribal families, armed with years of inherited knowledge and skill, carefully extract these ants from their nests. It's a meticulous and time-consuming process, but one that holds the key to their survival and well-being. Once collected, these ants become the star ingredient of the Similipal Kai Chutney. But that's not all. They're also used to create a medicinal oil that's revered by the tribes. This oil is a concoction of the ants and pure mustard oil, left to infuse for a month. Once ready, it's used for a variety of purposes, from being a baby's body oil to a cure for various ailments like rheumatism, gout, and ringworm. Preparing the chutney is an art in itself. The ants, fresh from the forest, are ground together with locally sourced herbs and spices. The result is a savory chutney that's rich in nutrients and healing properties. This chutney is a testament to the resourcefulness and the deep-rooted knowledge of the tribal people about their surroundings. So, the next time you taste the Similipal Kai Chutney, remember the hands that collected the ants, the families that depend on it, and the rich cultural heritage that it represents. But why would anyone want to eat ants, you may wonder? The answer lies in the incredible health benefits they offer. This chutney, made from red weaver ants, is far from just a culinary delight. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and offers a host of health benefits. Scientists have analyzed these ants and found they contain a multitude of essential elements. These include valuable proteins, calcium, zinc, vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, potassium, sodium, and copper. But that's not all. They're also rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. By consuming these ants, one can boost their immune system, helping to ward off various diseases. This is especially beneficial in a time when immunity is of paramount importance. The nutritional security that the Similipal Kai Chutney provides is a significant factor in its popularity among the tribal people of the Mayurbhanj region. But the health benefits of these ants don't stop at a nutritious punch in a tasty chutney. The tribal healers have found another use for them. They prepare a medicinal oil by dipping the ants in pure mustard oil. This concoction is left to infuse for about a month before it's used as a body oil for babies. Not only does it nourish the skin, but it also has curative properties. It's used to treat conditions such as rheumatism, gout, and ringworm, among others. The local people also consume this oil to maintain their health and strength. It's a testament to the fact that nature has provided us with all we need to stay healthy. We just need to know where to look and how to use it. The Similipal Kai Chutney, with its myriad health benefits, is a shining example of this. It's not just a chutney, but a reflection of the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature. It's a testament to the wisdom of the indigenous people who have harnessed the power of the red weaver ants to sustain and improve their health. The Similipal Kai Chutney is a perfect example of how nature provides us with all we need if we just know where to look. The true heroes of this story are the red weaver ants, without whom there would be no Similipal Kai Chutney. Now let's delve a bit into the world of these fascinating creatures. The red weaver ants are indigenous to the Mayurbanj district and are found in abundance throughout the year, not just in the local jungles, but also within the precincts of the Similipal Tiger Reserve. These ants lead a highly organized communal life. They form colonies, each housing multiple nests. Now, these nests aren't your ordinary ant nests. They are architectural marvels made of leaves stitched together with silk produced by the ants' own larvae. These nests are often lodged in trees, with mango, sal, jambu, and jackfruit trees being their preferred habitats. The nests are strong enough to withstand winds and impermeable to water, a testament to the ants' incredible engineering skills. In terms of shape and size, Kai's nests are usually elliptical, ranging from a single small leaf folded upon itself to large nests consisting of many leaves. The red weaver ants' colonies are divided into three main categories: workers, major workers, and queens. The workers and major workers, with their vibrant orange color, are the ones you'll most likely see hustling and bustling around. These ants play a pivotal role in the ecosystem. They are not only integral to the production of the Similipal Kai Chutney, but they also contribute to the forest's ecological balance. They are a key food source for several birds and other insects. Moreover, the red weaver ants also have a significant role in tribal healthcare. They are used in the preparation of a medicinal oil which is used for treating various ailments, further emphasizing the ants' importance in the tribal people's lives. The Similipal Kai Chutney is more than just a dish. It's a way of life for the tribal people of Mayurbanj, a testament to their deep connection with nature and an example of the marvels of our ecosystem.